Hey guys, Haz here, NZWindows. Today we're going to cover a short instructional series on how to make adjustments to your joinery to keep it operating at 100%. Bear in mind, this series is 100% information, so please only undertake these adjustments if you feel you are completely comfortable. We won't be held liable for anything that you do to your joinery. Today we're going to cover how to remove and replace a hinge door barrel. Also, we'll show you how to lubricate it just so that it operates 100% for you. So to do this, you're going to either need a Phillips or number 1 square drive in order to remove the screw that holds the barrel in place. So the first step in replacing a barrel on a hinge door is to first locate this screw here. That's the screw that secures the barrel from moving forward and back inside the door panel. To make this process easier, we like to loosen the handle a little bit. 2 or 3 turns is fine. And also loosen the back set, which is the top and bottom screws here. Again, a few turns is fine. So once we've got those loosened, that means that everything's going to move nice and easily. We'll now loosen off this screw, pop that to the side, and then remove our barrel. The barrel's got a small black piece, which I'll show you in a moment, that stops the barrel from being removed. So this is the piece that can catch on the inside of the back set, so it's really important to get that in profile with the barrel as it's being removed. Can be a little bit fiddly, but just work at it. In order to replace it, it's just the reverse of what we've just done. So offer the barrel in from the inside, especially when there's a snib. So offer that one back in just like this. Just like so. We'll pop the screw back in. Tighten up everything else. Tighten up our back set. Tighten up the handle. And then most importantly, test our operation works. If we're finding that it's catching or rubbing on something, it's possibly just out of alignment in this direction, and you can do that by just loosening this screw off and pushing it in or out just slightly and then tightening it up again. Sometimes on older joinery, key barrels can get a little bit gritty or a little bit harder to use. In order to lubricate an older barrel, what I would suggest you do is use a product something like CRC 808 silicone or a similar product, and just spray a tiny bit like into the key barrel, literally where the key goes, and then just work it with the key for a few turns, say 20 cycles, and then you should be good to go. Please do check out our other instructional videos on how to maintain your joinery at home to keep things operating 100%. My name's Haz, and this has been an NZWindows instructional series.